What's up guys, Surge here. So the Lenovo Z5 fired up the internet with both excitement and skepticism when Chang posted these renders. The photos showed what seemed to be a real full screen phone. Now new leaks have appeared that disapprove the bezel-less design claim. For those who don't know, Lenovo showed the Z5's sketch with no bezels at all, but yeah, we all know that we cannot get such a device in 2018. According to some leaked images, the panel will not have the notch, but there's a chin underneath that will house the selfie camera, proximity sensor and eventually an LED flash. There's no earpiece on this phone, so this hints towards the presence of a piezoelectric earpiece which Xiaomi had implemented on the Mi Mix. It did not receive the best of reviews due to certain shortcomings, but Lenovo might have built upon the technology and implemented a better version of it. All in all, I like this design a lot as we have a screen to body ratio of 90% because this design cannot offer a 95% screen to body ratio. We also have a metal frame and a dual camera setup aligned vertically just like the Apple iPhone X. We will obviously not have an in-display fingerprint scanner, but that's not an issue. The issue is that we have one more image that shows an ugly notch and the bottom chin design for the upcoming Z5. This Lenovo model comes with the model number L78011 and may be launched alongside the flagship Z5 as the Z5 Lite, but at the same time, most of the leaksters are claiming that this is the real Z5. We will come to know about it tomorrow. Moving to the next slide, we are seeing the rear design for the first time. It appears to be a translucent back similar to the Mi Air Explorer edition. The device also packs a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner in the middle and a dual camera setup aligned vertically at the top left edge. The Lenovo Z5 will be powered by the Snapdragon 636 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It will run on Android 8.1 Audio out of the box. So that said, I'm quite disappointed with this leak. And tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.